Why do my thumbs look so freaking fat?
Because they are.
That'll stop bussin'.
Ooh.
Sheesh.
It's in the...
Get a little musky out here.
It is.
Damn, who's Evo dough? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the same day that we just bought the car. We were just at a coffee shop for a few hours. I had to put out a banger video for you guys.
Wait, I gotta show my channel. What you got.
Hold on.
Because then I'll watch your channel.
Okay, I'll go over here. I'm trying to do the daily thing as we're on vacation. Or this isn't even vacation, this is just coming to buy a damn car. Ah, this thing's freaking mint, boys.
Now, that car is busted.
That thing is busting. I am so excited. What? Is that you?
Yeah.
Show them. You're sexy back in the day.
That's probably the ugliest picture I have of myself.
It is hot.
It is hot as BS. Ball sacks.
You want to go hit up JD Customs or what? We're in we're on the border of Kentucky and Tennessee. And Chattanooga is where JD Customs is, and they're 3 hours south of us. And I'm really tempted to head down there because JDC has been a huge supporter of the channel for forever. And it'd be so sick because I know they're building the new shop right now. It'd be so cool to like kind of see how all the products are made because I know they do a lot of stuff in-house. Like, yeah, so that'd be kind of cool. But I'm trying to convince Bobby to go down there. But it'd add like 6 hours to our trip. That's already
30 hours long.
30 hours long. But check this out.
Oh. This is the same dash you used to have in your other 8.
Yeah. Damn, this thing's nice. I love this car. Shall we? It has boost on here, AFRs, ethanol content, and I don't know what that is. Too spicy. It rips though.
Too spicy.
Damn, that clutch is loud. How am I supposed to start out on this hill?
How am I supposed to drive this thing?
This bad boy's got an XD triple, and it's, from what I haven't pulled the clutch part yet, like pulled the tranny, but it seems very worn out because it slips, and then the pedal is very highly engaged right at the top, and it's really hard to start out.
Now there's gonna be no life left in it.
That wasn't bad.
No, it wasn't.
I can't wait to get home and just, you know, love this car. I kind of like the sound of a multi-disc. It makes it just sound like a race car. Window tint. got 93 octane out here.
Honey?
What?
We're not in Spokane anymore.
That shit is fire, my guys.
Where's my camera?
I have no clue. All right, we're gonna grab some fuel. All these gauges are way off because they put this cluster cover on here. So gas gauge is way off. As you can see, the coolant temp's way off. RPMs are off by 100. I'm sure the speed is off as well. So that's all easy to adjust. All I'm gonna do is connect to EvoScan when I get back home and dial all that in. But yeah, I had that same issue on my black Evo 8. Let's fill this bad boy up. And Bobby's gonna go to sleep. 31 bucks. Ain't gonna lie, at first, right when I got photos of this car and saw it in person, I was iffy on the bumpers and skirts, the ings. But I think I'm gonna roll with it and try to make this car look as good as possible. I think it can look really good. I saw some photos online. I think it could look absolutely sick with this kit on there. But if we gotta do it and I can't make it look good, I'll go back to OEMs, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Because I just realized, and I did some research, I knew it was rare, but this kit's like 3 grand. Straight fire, dude. Okay, let's go to John's. First problem of the day, we just developed a misfire in the Evo. Sick. She's running like complete balls. You hear it?
I'm scared. Are we gonna... We're not gonna make it to Chattanooga.
Holy shit, she runs like poop. And I don't have any tools, obviously. We're only 190 miles deep in this trip. We gotta times that by 1,000. We're going to JDC right now. I'm gonna try to get her there. We got like 70 miles to go. Or I might pull over and try to check it over. This is sus.
Hell is sus.
It's definitely just one cylinder missing. So it's either a spark plug, a coil pack, or an injector.
Probably
Or also a dead cylinder, which is kind of
frick
fun.
was that dead thing on the side of the road? That was not...
It's probably my dead cylinder. You hear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go figure this out. See if I can diagnose.
What's all that?
What?
All that liquid?
Where?
Right there.
That?
Yeah.
Amazing. I guess we just have to limp it there. I don't have any tools.
Okay.
I was gonna pull off the spark plug cover and unplug coils, but I can't. Yeah, it seemed like it changed a little bit when I was messing with the coil wiring. It sounds like a Subaru. Hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Good thing we're going to JDC's.
Got a limper there?
There's no power at all. I wonder if it's one cylinder or a few cylinders. Holy fuck, she is not happy.
Poor L.
There's no power. I'm pinned. I'm literally pinned. Misfire just went away, so my bet is that some sort of wiring is loose. It's probably going to a coil pack. I can't talk. I lost my train of thought. I do think it's got a coil and plug setup on it. So yeah, when we get to JDC, it should be pretty easy to figure out. Something's coming unplugged and plugging back in, either an injector or a coil pack. Easy fix.
Yay.
Well, I was hoping to build the motor on the side of the road. Just pull her out real quick. The misfire definitely came back. But we're almost there. To Johnny Knoxville's house. She got a little misfire. She don't sound healthy.
This is unreal, dude.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Could be better.
Yeah, I heard about the clutch possibility.
Oh God, yeah, I don't care about that.
Hi, Bobby.
Nice to meet you in person.
Nice to officially meet you.
Yeah.
I think it's got, because you can see the plug in here, so it's got some sort of coil and plug setup.
Yeah, there's something in there.
I don't know if that's yours or not.
I don't think so. We've never used that type of wire sheet.
Okay.
And it seals it good.
Yeah, that's clean.
Yeah.
Sounds so good.
So we just went for a rip in John's GTR, which is amazing. And while we were there, they were taking apart the Evo to figure out what was up with it. There's no bolts in there.
That's probably not very safe. And those are not authentic Denso coils, I can tell you that for sure.
It's a little sus.
This
Yeah.
was his method for holding them in place.
Oh.
Interesting.
Yeah, that'll probably cause a misfire.
That was the old.
Beautiful. Yeah, throw those in the garbage. Should we sell them on eBay? 50 bucks. So we think the problem was all 4 coils were just bouncing around. They weren't mounted on anything. There was no mounting plate, so it's very, you know, it's a little sus of a setup. So while we're here at JDC, we're throwing on a JDC coil and plug setup, and that should fix our issue. And then we got a bag full of goodies as well.
Your little goodie bag.
Yeah. First mod she built.
What is it?
Watch this. Wait.
Okay.
Sick.
Okay, well, let's go get this
Hell yeah.
soldering gun and we can fix this
We
too.
should probably fix that. It's a little janky.
Yeah.
So our coil wiring, right? We went to go plug in the coil and plug setup, and all 3 of these wires right here are very jankily put together. As you can see, she just pulls apart. It's not supposed to happen. So we're gonna fix that up, and then I'm also gonna adjust the clutch pedal to see if we can get some life out of the clutch before Bobby drives it.
Much better.
Okay, cool. Now maybe it'll launch. Okay, we got the car all fixed up. We also got some other JDC goodies on here, which if you guys want to use my discount code, what is it, Bobby? Devin Niemela 10.
Yep.
You can use it to save 10% off, because now check this out.
Ooh, crispy.
It's like she runs well. Hell yeah, brother. And then I adjusted the clutch too, because there's no free play at all. So we'll see if that makes it not slip. It's just gone altogether. Holy fuck. I can't even, I'm gonna need that 12. I can't even get it in gear. This clutch is gone.
Uh-oh, they're still waiting. We're trying to go to dinner, but Devin has to run after him because he needs a tool. So you gotta jam gears?
No, I'm gonna adjust it some more.
Okay.
You got a clutch we can slot in her?
Better?
I think she goes in gear. It's all adjusted all the way to the top, so that means there's literally no life left. Sus, hella sus.
Very.
All right, well now that we're back on the road, we're gonna go get dinner with the guys, and then we're gonna freaking
And the girls.
out, and girls, and then we're gonna head out. And I don't know how far we're driving tonight because it's already almost 8 o'clock. We were supposed to make it all the way to Montana today.
What?
It's 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
We ain't making it nowhere today.
Oh my god. I can't with this car.
This thing runs titties now with that new coil
It
setup.
actually runs a lot better.
She's clean. Nice clean setup. This dude's hauling dick. Fuck that guy.
You must have good windshield wipers.
So we left Chattanooga, and I think we're going through Nashville right now. And this is literally the worst storm I've ever seen in my life. I can't even see shit. This is bonkers. Absolute bonkers. The shit was so bad I could not see. We had to pull over. There's like maybe 5% of the car still driving. We're in an old school car though, and the wipers aren't like mint and the headlights aren't mint, so I pulled over. I really don't want to wreck right now. This is literally freaking insane, boys. Hello, sleepy girl. I didn't even realize these were paint matched in here. Huh. Straight fire. So we made it out to St. Louis today, and that's where we're at right now. I really wanted to swing by and see the First Form, the new First Form building. It was really cool to see all that in person because I've been following Andy for a while, listening to all his podcasts and stuff, so it was really dope to come out here and see the giant facility that they have now. But I'm gonna go to a Starbucks, edit this video right here, get back on the road, try to get as far as we can tonight. It's already like noon, so I think we're gonna try to make it all the way to South Dakota. The car's been running pretty good, no real issues other than a janky ass clutch and some rattles and squeaks, but thanks to that JDC system that we put on here, she's been good to go. If you guys want to pick that thing up, I'll link it down below. Really thankful that we got one on this car because we would have probably had a misfire the whole way home if we didn't put that thing on here. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out, my friends. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we don't have any more issues with the car. I think we got 1,000 miles on it now. Other than that misfire, she's been solid.